afternoon, CFND. My name is Farah Betty Maksum, and today I would like to present about how organization structure influence project delivery. I will compare functional, project types, and metric structures using real examples like Siemens and Toyota to highlight the practical implication. Understanding this difference is essential for anyone managing project in today's complex and dynamic business environment. The first one is introduction. Organizational structure defines how authority, communication, and responsibility are distributed within an organization. It determines how quickly decisions are made, how efficiently resources are allocated, and how well teams collaborate. In project management, choosing the right structure can significantly affect project timelines, quality, and cost. Today, we will look at three main types. The first one is functional, project types, and metric structure, and see how each one support on either project delivery. Next, let's start with the functional structure. Here, employees are grouped based on their departments, such as finance, operation, or marketing. This model promotes deep specialization and departmental efficiency. However, projects under this structure often face communication barriers between departments. Project managers have limited authority and must rely heavily on department heads to access resources. This leads to slower response times and limited cross-functional collaboration, which is not ideal for projects that require agility or frequent adjustment. This structure works best in environment with stable, repetitive tasks. Next is the project type structure. In this model, the organization is centered around project. Project manager has full authority over budget, teams, and decision making. The members report directly to the project manager and are fully dedicated to project tasks. This results in high commitment, rapid decision making, and strong focus on project objective. However, there are downsides like resources duplication and the potential for staff burnout due to intense focus on short-term project outcome. Once a project ends, team member may face uncertainty unless resign quickly. Still, in structure is highly effective in industry like construction or consulting, where project drive business. Next one is metric structure. The metric structure attempts to blend the strength of both functional and project-based model. Here, employees report to both a project manager and a functional manager. This dual report allows better sharing or expertise across project while maintaining technical oversight from department. However, it also introduces complexity. Conflict can arise when priorities between the two managers clash. Without clear communication and defined roles, employees may feel pulled in different directions. Metric structure can be weak, balanced, or strong, depending on the authority given to the project manager. With good coordination, metric structure can offer flexibility, innovation, and efficient resources use. Next, let's compare and summarize the difference. In the functional structure, communication is vertical, leadership is concentrated with department heads, and resources are shared based on department goals. In a project structure, communication is fast and direct. Project manager lead fully, and resources are dedicated solely to project delivery. In a metric structure, communication is multi-directional, leadership is shared, and resources are allocated dynamically across project. The choice of structure should match the organization, strategic goals, the complexity of each project, and the maturity of each team. To look more about the structure, I would like to explain the two case studies. The first case study is Siemens Smart Infrastructure. Now let's look at Siemens. In their Smart Infrastructure division, Siemens used a strong metric structure to manage the rollout of smart energy grids across Europe. This project involved collaboration among software developers, engineers, sustainability experts, and local teams. Siemens empowers project managers while maintaining technical supervision through functional departments. This setup allowed them to innovate rapidly without sacrificing engineering standards. The key to their success was a clear RACI metric and regular coordination meeting, which helped prevent roles confusion and ensure efficient resources use. These examples show that a strong metric can work effectively when supported by governance. The next one case study is Toyota product development. Toyota, on the other hand, used a balanced metric structure to support its global product development. Product manager works closely with engineering, marketing, and production teams across different countries. This approach enables Toyota to launch standardized vehicles that still meet local market needs. By balancing authority between functional and project managers, Toyota promotes innovation while maintaining consistency. Their success also stems from cultural values like Kaizen. continuous improvement, and team empowerment. This case highlight how a metric model can enhance both product quality and speed to a market. In conclusion, organizational structure directly impact how projects are delivered. Functional structure provides stability and specialization, but are slow and inflexible. Project type structure enhance speed and ownership, but require more resources. Matrix structures balance flexibility and expertise, but demand strong coordination. There's no one-size-fits-all solution. Each organization must choose or adapt its structure based on the project's complexity, strategic goals, and workforce dynamics. A global business grow more complex, hybrid structures are becoming more common, offering mix of agility and control. In reflection, I have realized how critical structure is not just to process, but to people, leadership, and project culture. The wrong structure can delay outcome, waste resources, and frustrate teams. The right one can empower teams, improve communication, and drive success. Understanding organizational structure give project manager a foundation to lead more effectively, especially in the fast-changing global business landscape. That's all from me. Thank you.